Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make PDF file in mobile. So the first step you need to do is to search for Drive. So once your Drive is open, click on plus new, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on scan. So let me scan here first. So this is a sample text. Take a picture and click on done. And here you can see format JPEG and PDF. So I want PDF. Then you need to click on save. So you can select your account and your drive. So I want to save in this one account, click on save. So this is the first method. So now I'm going to show you the second method. Let's suppose you have any file here. Let's suppose I have this. Click on three dots, and here you can see different options. Print details. So click on print. Okay, and click here, and here on the top you can see save as PDF. Click here, and after that it will be saved as PDF, or you can click here to save this as a PDF. Click on save. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.